95 gram baking powder, 91 gram grinded sugar, 100 gram flour, 50 gram oil. Put 2 eggs and 90 gram sugar in the blender. We will blend the mixture for 1 minute on slow speed. See flour and baking powder. And 1 pinch salt. Add oil in the egg batter. Now blend it for a few seconds. I will add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon in the egg mixture. Yellow food color. We'll add these dry ingredients slowly, one by one. I'm adding 1 spoon of flour, and blend it for a second. I will add more. See, our mixture is ready. Meanwhile, you have to preheat the oven for 15 minutes. Friends, I have picked up 10 cupcakes because my cupcakes are small, so might be you will get 8 cupcakes if your cupcakes are bigger. Friends, I'm going to bake these cupcakes for 25 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. Our cupcakes are ready. Friends, after 25 minutes our cupcakes are ready. Now I am going to cover it to let them cool with this napkin. Friends, you can eat it or you can decorate your cupcake with frosting.